is the beautiful exotic Maldives. And from here today I'll record your last video, a tutorial wherein I'll answer all your queries. Let's get started. Okay, starting off with the first query which says, hey, I am a 15-year-old and I want to get my hair colored for the first time in my life. But I'm confused as to which color should I get it done. So I'll tell you, see, basically stick to multi-lights as it is your first time. Multi-lights in the shades of brown. They will mix the ombre, the light brown, darker brown. And yes, if you are the type who can experiment little bit, so you can even get a tinge of pink, violet or red. Just get few streaks of that color, or you can get it in at the bottom of your hair. So, but remember one thing, these bright colors, they wane off within a month's time, no matter how much care you take. So take care of that thing. But yeah, the multi-lights will stay. And the second question, yeah, this comes from a lovely boy who says, hey Komal Kiran, my living partner is 37 and she's planning a makeover to revive her appearance. We can't think of the haircut part. Any advice which haircut or hairstyle she should opt for? So, but you see, basically, for the hairstyle, I always say nothing like an open hair. Leave your hair open, no bow, this, that, flex, nothing suits like that. And also, you can even tie a neat ponytail. But when it comes to haircut, I always believe that as a woman ages, her hair should go shorter. So if she's already 37, ask her to go for the bob cut. And in bob also there is the classic bob, the asymmetrical bob, the pixie cut. But yes, you can easily ask her to get her hair done short. Okay, next question is, I don't want to damage my hair with setting spray. For how much time will my curls last without it? See, even I feel that the setting spray is really hard on our hair. But if you don't get it done, your hair curls will start opening up within an hour. And by 2 hours, all the curls will disappear. So if you feel that after getting your hair curled, you can immediately go to the pool party, you can go without the setting spray. Okay, any accessories for hair? Accessories, I'll cover in a separate video. Give me some time because this is a very interesting part and very experimental. Let's wait for some more time for that. How often can I curl my hair? Darling, curls spoil your hair because of the setting spray and the heat. Avoid it as much as possible. Maybe once in a fortnight is the maximum you can afford. Yeah, if you are a bit too much into parties, events and fashion, you can go maybe for twice a month or thrice a month. But then remember to pamper your hair after that. Go for lots of hair pack, deep oil massage, and nothing works like a deep oil massage. So I'm done with all the queries. Next month we'll start something new, some new topic, and most probably we'll cover something on skincare. Stay glued. I'll be back very soon. Bye from Maldives and love to all.